Most gamers fail not because their PC isn't fast enough, but because it can't keep up with their focus. Meet the Skytech Legacy 4, liquid-cooled RTX 5090 Ryzen 9 power that dominates every game and task. At its core, the AMD Ryzen 9 9950X 3D processor reaching up to 5.7 GHz turbo delivers smooth and powerful performance for gaming, streaming, and creative work. Combined with the NVIDIA RTX 5090 graphics card, you experience stunning visuals and ultra-smooth frame rates, even on the most demanding titles. Memory and storage are next level. With 64GB DDR5 RAM 6000 MHz RGB, multitasking is effortless. Switch between streaming, gaming, and editing without slowdown. The 2TB Gen5 NVMe SSD ensures lightning-fast load times and ample storage for all your games and projects. Heat won't slow you down. The 1200-watt Gold ATX 3 PSU keeps power stable under heavy loads, while built-in Wi-Fi and Windows 11 provide connectivity and a ready-to-use experience. Every detail of the Skytech Legacy 4 is designed for speed, precision, and reliability. Whether gaming, streaming, or creating content, this desktop keeps up with your focus and performance, letting you concentrate on what matters most, your gameplay and creativity. Upgrade your setup today and experience next-level gaming power.